Hi, fourth grade, it's Mrs. Boswell again. We're going to do our Module 6, Lesson 4 exit ticket that you're going to need today. The first one says, shade in the amount shown, then write the equivalent decimal. It says 6/10 meters. So remember, this meter is divided into 10, okay? And I'm going to shade in how many for 6/10. If you said 6, you are correct, okay? But then it also says, write the equivalent decimal, okay? So remember, I'm going to go back to those notes, okay? There's our tenths and our hundredths, okay? How would I show 6/10? Okay? I want you to think about it because we're in meters, right? And if we break that down, okay? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want you to show me what would be that equivalent decimal. I want you to think about it from our lesson. On number 2, it says draw a number bond, kind of like we were doing in our lesson, pulling out the tenths from the hundredths, and then write the total as an equivalent decimal. I am going to go ahead and do B with you, and then I want you to do A on your own. So here is 27 hundredths, okay? So how many would be my first one? Would be 20 hundredths, right? And then how many? 7 hundredths, okay? Or we could also say this one as 2/10 plus 7 hundredths, okay? But I want you to think about it up here. And if I add those together, I would get 27 hundredths. And if I want to write that in decimals, remember it's in our hundredths. Okay, so I got my tenths and my sevenths. That's kind of why I drew this 2/10. Okay, because that reminds me it goes in the tenth. So it's going to be 0.2 and then sevenths for that hundredth. So 2/10 sevenths. Okay. For me, that's easy. Now I want to see that on A. I want to see those decimals. Good luck today.